appreciate you guys. Like, you do not understand. Like, I be reading all your comments. There's no robot answering. There's nobody else answering. It's me. I make sure I read all comments because I really, really appreciate you guys. You know what I'm saying? If it wasn't for you guys, my channel would be shaky. It would be doodle. It would be I don't know, but I really appreciate you guys. If you have yet to join the family, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so you can stay up to date and in tune with my channel or whatever. Learn the simple way on how-to videos. I mean, it's really not the simple way because, you know, I really do these videos for stylists. So we're just gonna dive into, you know, this video because I've been talking too much already and wasting time. So the reason for this video is because I've been getting a lot of comments from SWANK'D dolls and strangers as well, who want to know, okay, sis, like, I see you make a lot of videos, you make some nice videos. My videos are alright, thank you so much. And they're like, okay, well, how much money do you make, sis? Like, cough up the money, like, let me know. Should I start a YouTube channel? Check, yes. We don't gotta waste no time. Start a YouTube channel, okay. How much money do you make? Today I will tell you how much money I make from one video, because I'm not gonna tell you how much I make from all my videos in a year or whatever, because I don't know what's the policy on that, so I'm not gonna get in trouble. But if I do get, you know, a flag from this video, then I'll know, okay? So until then, we're just gonna do one video, and I'm gonna share with you guys the income from that. But definitely want to tell you why you should start a YouTube channel, okay? So let's start with me, my background. For those of you who do not know me, I am Shanti Marie, and I'm a licensed cosmetologist. You know, if you have not yet figured that out. I mean, there are a lot of people who are talented and they have yet to get their license, which I think they should, but you know, that's more money in their pocket or whatever. I'm still paying back my school loan. But yeah, so I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I specialize in sewing. I do braids, all the good stuff. I'm very versatile. However, I like sewing. That's my preference. Like, who wants to sit for hours doing braids? I mean, I still do it because food needs to be put on the table. You know, I need to keep around my head or whatever, so I'm gonna do it. I know how to do it, so why not? So that's what I do. That is my main source of income. However, YouTube has allowed me to take a 6-month break. As of today. I know. I'm so happy about it. So sis, like, what do you mean? Half a year? You took a half a year off not doing your? I definitely did. And I'm really appreciative, and that's one of the benefits of being a YouTuber. So let's just jump back because I'm all over the place. Hence me not talking in my videos, okay? I just hate talking. But for the purpose of this video and for me not answering multiple people at multiple times, just put this video out there so you guys have the juice. Alright, so when I started out doing hair, probably 3 years later, I decided that I wanted to share my craft with other stylists, you know, because I go to hair shows, the whole shebang. So I was like, okay, that's cool. I can see myself doing, like, you know, online courses because I'm one person and yeah, I don't know about the whole being on stage, and that's not for me. So I decided to do videos, right? And I had a platform where you had to pay to have access to this private, you know, these private classes where it's up close, you know, you're getting your whole money's worth. And that's how I started. But I closed it down like probably 3 months in because I was like not marketing myself well. And I was like, damn sis, like, you trying to educate people, but you're not even on your grind. Like, so the website was sitting there and I was just paying money. But those who did purchase those classes, I really thank you from the bottom of my heart. And they also gave me good reviews and feedback. And I was like, okay, that's cool. but I still wasn't reaching out to all the stylists or a lot of stylists, and that was my main focus. So I was like, okay, let me close it down, and that's how come I came over to YouTube. I was like, YouTube, you know, people will come across your platform if you market it or not, you know what I'm saying? Because of the whole algorithm or whatever, you know, if you put your tags in, whatever the case may be, they can potentially come over, you know, and watch your video. So I was like, okay, let me do that. So if you noticed in the beginning of my videos, it says how-to videos a simple way. Now, I shouldn't have ran with that because a lot of you guys are like, oh, I really love the way how this hair came out or whatever, but it's definitely not simple, like it's very complex. So I do sometimes, you know, try to make sure that I make videos for my subscribers, like the, you know, no experience or just starting out or just wants to do their own hair. So I try to incorporate that. So as you notice, I'll make videos that's doing it on myself so that you guys can know how to do it on yourself. And those of you who are stylists can also have a video to watch. And with that being said, I try to make sure that my videos are hitting my target, which is stylists, but also can market or be for everyone else, regular, you know, viewers or whatever the case may be. So that's how come I've started, you know, YouTube. And I didn't think that my channel would like be booming or whatever, which is not booming right now. Like, it slowed down because YouTube is just playing. YouTube is playing. YouTube is just kidding, but I'm not like, you know, I don't have like 1 million subscribers, and I don't have like a lot of videos that have gone viral, has like 3 million, no, I don't even have 100,000 subscribers, but this one particular video that I'm going to talk about today, it definitely hit 1 million views, and it made some money. So you guys want to know how much I make. Again, I said that I was going to go ahead and show you guys how much money I've made from this one video. And it has yet to be a year. And this video, by its lonesome, has generated over $5,000. That's just one video. That's $5,000. You know what you can do with $5,000? You can pay a bill off, 2 bills, 3 bills. You know what I'm saying? You can pay down on your car. You can potentially stop working. But again, that's just one video, and that is not included with the amount of money I've made over the past year from the other videos, okay? So from this one video, think about it. This one video, I sat and did my hair, between 6 to 7 hours, 8 the most, if that. And then on top of that, to create the video, the production, all of that. And then post it, 3 or 4 days? 3 or 4 days. And I only invested $20 to $30. Let's just say $30 of an investment. And 3 to 4 days of just working. Okay, can you believe that? $5,000 from one video? If I was to ask myself back then, oh, how do you see yourself in 5 years? That freaking popular question I hate so much. But the me back then would not have imagined the me now. And I'm really grateful that I even crossed over to YouTube. Like, so for that question, oh, should I join YouTube? Yes, you should join YouTube. Oh, it's so oversaturated. You know, there's billions of YouTubers now. It does not matter. Find your passion, okay? If you don't have a passion, create one. Learn about yourself. You know what I'm saying? And once you find whatever that niche is, or whatever you want to go ahead and market on your channel, or just talk about, whatever the case may be, become good at it and go ahead and just post a video. You will not regret it. But just know that if you post a video and you get subscribers, you want to keep getting subscribers. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that your platform is growing. You don't want to just post BS. That's why I never post like every week or whatever, because I want these ideas to come to me. You know what I'm saying? I can just easily just go and post whatever and it's like, okay. But I also want to make sure that my subscribers from before, even though I want new subscribers, I need to keep my old subscribers happy. That's why I'm always trying to engage with you guys, ask you what kind of content do you want, you know what I'm saying? So again, if you're gonna do YouTube, do it the right way, because I definitely skipped out on money. I could have definitely tripled or, you know, doubled that profit from that one video, okay? From 5,000 to 10,000 in just under a year. And that's really good, and that's without me marketing myself. And I really got to clap. I'm really proud of myself. But when I looked at the figure, I was like, you know what? These people keep asking me questions. Let me make a video. And when I went to go see what that number was, I was like, wow. Like, YouTube is really a game changer. And I'm dropping the mic. I don't even have nothing else to say. Like, if you can't see how YouTube is very, very beneficial, then you sleep in life, sis. Or brother. If you like this type of content, please let me know, because I really don't like to talk, but if you guys like this type of content and I can go ahead and deep dive into, okay, how do you grow YouTube, or you know, how to market yourself, or just any other topic, please let me know. Stop don't be just watching and don't say nothing. Like, I like constructive criticism and all that good stuff. You know, it be hurting my feelings or whatever, but it's okay. It's okay. I still want to read it, and I still want to grow, and I want you all to grow with. You know what I'm saying? So, tough love, but I love it, and I just want you guys to know that that's what I've made on one video alone, and I was being open today. I'm really proud of myself, because I'm a really private person, so you better take that around with it and start your YouTube platform like today. I'm sorry, that was really loud, like I'm echoing. But no, seriously, you should start today. And if you don't, we gonna have problems, so. But thank you again for tuning into my channel.